Welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to install Windows 10 into VirtualBox with full screen mode and share file and folders with each others. Here we see some steps. Now I am going to step number 1, download VirtualBox software. Just I am going to the Google. Download VirtualBox. Then go to just this link. Here you see Windows host. Just click on and save file. It's 102 MB. So then step number 2, install and open VirtualBox. Once download finish, then I'll install it and open VirtualBox. So once install and download, then I will back again. VirtualBox download and install has been finished. Now I already opened VirtualBox. Here you see VirtualBox interface. Now I am going to step number 3. Click on new button to create VirtualBox for Windows. Just here you see the new button. Just I am click on it, and this is the virtual machine name. Just I write here Windows 10 and machine folder and type and version is automatically appeared. If you want to install Windows version 32 bits, then you can select here. Just 64 it automatically appear. Now I am going to the next. Here you see the RAM size. So here I write 4 GB RAM. Just go to the next, and 3 option here. You just create a VirtualBox hard disk now. You just create on it and create, and also here you see the 3 step. Just you select the VirtualBox disk image. Just go to the next and dynamically allocate. Then the location folder where you store it. In generally it is stored without C drive except C drive. Just I am store it here. I am store it VirtualBox Windows 10 Windows 10. Okay, just create. And also here you see the disk space. Just I am writing here the 30 GB. Just click create. You see virtual machine has been created. Now I am going to the step number 4, change settings. Here you see the settings option. Just I am going to the settings, and general option you see here the Windows name and version, advanced, description and snapshot folder and etc. Just go to the system. Here you see RAM already I allocated the 4 GB and floppy it's and boot on network. Just you down this one pointing device USB tablet. Okay, chipset, and enable the EFT for Windows 10. You must be select the enable EFT and hardware clock UTC time. If you select, then you can select it. Okay, and display storage. Just you can store it. Here you see the empty. Just click on empty folder. Then select on choose virtual disk drive. Here you see Windows 10 is my iOS. Just I am select this one and open this one, and you just change this order. Just 0 and this one is 1. Just change this order. And audio network is the enable network net, serial port, USB shared folder, and just as it is you just click on. Just click on now. Click on step number. Here is the step number 5. Click on start, then install Windows. Just I am go to the start. Okay, just you see, just select language. It is okay. United Kingdom, United Kingdom, and United Kingdom. Just if you want to change the language, then you have to change from here. Just next. Now install now. And if you Windows product key, then you just put it here, or if you don't have, you just I don't have product key, just click on here, and here's a lot of version. Just I'm going to the Windows 10 Pro 64, then next, accept. Now go to the custom, and you just new format it. Okay, just you select this drive, just 29.4 GB. This is the primary. Just you select this one and go to the next. Basically, it takes some time to install Windows. So once it's done, then I'll back. Now it's installing updates. Okay, now Windows need to be restarted to continue. Okay, just I'm going to the restart now, or within 4 seconds it will go to restart. Now it's getting ready. It's also takes some time to getting ready. Okay, here that's the region. So I'm going to the, okay, not United Kingdom, just United States of America, United States. Okay, just yes, just a moment, wait. Okay, the keyboard layout definitely I am here selecting to the United States, US, just yes. And if you want the second, no need to second keyboard layout. Now network settings. Okay, now how would like to set up your just I am select the personal use, just go to the next. And if you have Microsoft account, you just put it here, or just I am just going to click on offline account, just click offline account. Okay, now here put the name, just click on next, and password. again password. Now I'm going here the security question. What is the pet name? As for Kushi. Second security question. What is your childhood nickname? For example, this one. And third question. What is your oldest cousin? Okay. Just a wait. Okay. Make your personal assistant. Just click on the accept. Here choose privacy settings, all privacy settings. Now I am going to the disable. Then all privacy, just go to the accept. Windows is ready. Just wait a little bit. Now Windows installation has been done. So now I am going to step number 5 already finished. Okay, then step number 6, full screen. How I will make the full screen? Here you see the screen is little bit, but it is not full screen. How I will get? So for full screen you have to go device, then insert guest edition CDMA. Just click on this. Okay, now open File Explorer and go to the PC, and here see this is the VirtualBox CD drive. Just click on this. Though my Windows have 64-bit, so here you see if your Windows 32-bit, then you just click on it. So my PC is 64-bit. Just I am going to run it, and yes, next, install. Okay, now I want to manually reboot later. Just go to the finish, and installation has been done. Okay, just I'm going to the reboot this one. Just restart. Now Windows is already start up. Just click on and go to the password. Put here password. Okay, wait a little bit. Okay, you see automatic, it will be after restarting, it will be automatic full screen. So now I'm going to the shared file and folder. It is the most important for virtual machine, guest and host machine. So how you will share a folder from your host PC to guest PC. Host PC, that means your laptop, or guest PC, that means your virtual PC. So here I see the device and then the share folder. You see here the device, then share folder, then share folder settings. Here you see the machine folder transaction. Just I am click on the add button. Path, you just go to the other and go to, just I am going to the E drive. You see here is the share folder. Just I am select this one, and it is read only or read write both. Just I don't, just auto mount and make sure permanent. Okay, just click on and okay. After it need to be restarted. Just you see now it is not okay, already mounted. You see here is the 31 GB, 3.8 GB free of 124 GB drive. Just if I write here the, as for example, server file, just I am add a folder into guest PC. Now I am going to the check the host PC. Already server file is there. Okay. So now drag and drop system. You see, if I as for example just this text, just I am going to the drag here, it is not dragged, or just I am going to this text. If I want to drag, it is not possible to drag. How I will drag? Then again go to the device, then drag and drop option, then select the bidirectional. Then you see, just I am drag this one. Just wait a little bit. Just select this one and drag this one. You see, sorry, replace. Just dock, just okay, just I am going to the drag this one to my host PC. You see, it's already done. So thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, please let me know.